Welcome, content creators. This guide is designed to provide you with practical tips to enhance your streaming experience and grow your community on Twitch, YouTube, or anywhere you're streaming. Now, how this is going to work is I'm going to present you with a tip, and then I'm going to follow it with an actionable item that will help you actively make improvements on your streams. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, eliminate silence. When you're live streaming, silence can be a viewer's biggest deterrent. Even if there's no one in the chat initially, fill the silence with engaging commentary or background music. Remember, the first 30 to 60 seconds are crucial for retaining a new viewer's attention. Now, for an actionable item, let's invest in a library of DMCA-free or copyright-free music to play during your streams. Engage in continuous commentary about your gameplay or topic of discussion. Tip number 2, select the right game. Choosing the right game to stream is a delicate balance. Highly popular games can be oversaturated with streamers, making it hard for you to stand out. On the other hand, obscure games might not have a large enough audience at all. Make sure you research and select games that have a steady and engaged audience, but aren't oversaturated with streamers. This will increase your chances of being discovered. Now, just because you're streaming a game doesn't mean you're not creating content elsewhere with more popular games. Tip number 3, invest in a camera. While there are successful streamers who don't use a camera, as a new streamer, having a camera can significantly boost your engagement. It allows viewers to connect with you on a more personal level. If you're going to purchase a camera, make sure it's decent quality. It doesn't need to be high-end, but even a budget-friendly camera can work wonders for viewer engagement. Tip number 4, personalize your stream overlay. A personalized stream overlay can set you apart from other streamers. It contributes to your brand identity and gives your stream a professional look. You can design this yourself or commission a simple yet unique stream overlay that aligns with your brand. Don't be afraid to look at websites like canva.com for templates and examples of ones that you might be able to use yourself. Tip number 5, and personally I think this is the biggest one, collaborate with other streamers. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. By collaborating with other content creators, you can cross-promote your content, reaching new audiences. Reach out to other streamers for potential collaborations. This could be anything from joint streams, creating videos together, or just featuring each other on each other's shows or podcasts or videos. To summarize this, remember, eliminate silence, choose the right game, invest in a camera, personalize your stream overlay, and collaborate with other streamers. Doing this, you can significantly enhance your streaming experience and grow your community. Remember, consistency is key, and with these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a successful content creator.